Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to another unboxing. It's been a minute since I've unboxed something on video. I forget. Oh no, it hasn't been that long. I take it back. I did unbox those Adidas Ultra Boosts not that long ago, so I take that back. But before that, it'd been a while. It's been the holidays, and with the holidays, I think people get gifts. I did not get this George Foreman grill as a gift, but I received a Amazon gift certificate from my boss at work. And I've been on a kick lately where I want to, I don't know, I guess like be a bit healthier. Save some money by actually cooking instead of, I pretty much order takeout like all day, every meal. So I thought it'd be good if I maybe start trying to cook. I soon realized that I don't like to cook. I knew that, but that came back. Oh, I forgot. I also ordered some face wash. So Nivea Men's Maximum Hydration Moisturizing face wash. I forgot that I ordered that. But this unboxing, oh, I got two of these, never mind. This unboxing is more about the George Foreman grill. These things have been around for many years now. I actually bought one of my best friends growing up a George Foreman grill. I forget why, maybe his birthday or something, but I mean, this was, I want to say it was like 15 years ago or something. So these things have been around. I also talked to like some coworkers, and they were like, oh, you should get one. You know, the grease drips out, so it's healthier. Also cooks things faster. And this thing on Amazon was $22.44. Which seems like a good bargain. This is like there's like a smaller version that you can basically put like 2 beef patties on, or 2 chicken breasts. This does 4 servings. You can get it in white, but I figured it gets messy. Any white appliances I have, even like the stove and oven in my apartment, it's pretty gross looking. And even when I try to like wipe it down, there's just like, I don't know, maybe tomato sauce or like oil or something that's just stuck. So I went with black. As I unbox this and open this up, I'll read some more things. Tight on kitchen space. The 60 square inch grill is the most popular George Foreman grill, with space for tasty main course for 4 or a complete meal of veggies and other sides. So yeah, with this thing, I've been buying a lot of chicken breast. I've been just cooking it over the stove on a frying pan, but this might be a little more convenient, a little faster. Also says meals in 10 minutes. Oh, this is probably a huge reason why people buy these. On the box it says removes up to 42% fat. What else? What other features do we have? Advanced George Tough non-stick coating, 3 times more durable. 1-inch hinge. Oh, for thick burgers and sandwiches. Exclusive fat removing slope. Dishwasher safe removable dip tray. One thing I did hear that's a negative is I hear this thing's a pain to clean up from one person. Again, like my coworkers. One of the guys said, he was like, just get a skillet instead, because he said this is actually kind of a pain to clean up. Another woman in the group disagreed with him, was like, it's not that bad. So I guess I'll soon find out. I think this is for the tray where the fat drips. Some instructions. Oops. I guess it's upside down. So, alright, right out of the box, like one thing that I think is pretty sweet, I guess the thing is already freaking assembled. So that's pretty awesome. So wow, it looks like I can plug this in, throw some chicken breasts or beef patties on it, and it's good to go. Just really quick, that's about it. Like I said, I thought for 22 bucks, it's worth a shot. Stay tuned for future videos. I think I'm gonna actually start reviewing products soon. I might have mentioned that in a previous unboxing. I just have to do it. It's kind of it'll be a bit different, but I think I want to kind of finally step it up. Maybe one day I'll actually edit the videos and have some different types of shots going. But thank you to the 74 subscribers I have. I somehow have 74 subscribers. They're probably bots, or they're probably people that subscribe just in the hopes I follow them back or subscribe back to their channels. But regardless, I'll take it. Anyways, thanks, and stay tuned for a future video. Oh crap.